Hello guys, welcome to my kingdom. So 218 people have already joined my kingdom and thank you to keep believing in me. So do subscribe my channel, join my kingdom and also click this icon so that you get all the notifications, okay? So there is a short update for OOPD lab. I will tell you. So let's start our lab. We have to change our username guys because screenshot is useless if we don't change our username. So we will click here. This name was actually Cloud PC. I changed to session menu. So we'll right click there and then click on properties. Then you have to select here custom and then you have to change this to your bits ID. Okay. You have to give your bits ID. Something like this. Okay. And 1 2 3 4 5. You give your bits ID here. See my bits ID is updated. This is fake bits ID, okay? And then you have to open Eclipse and do all these things. And meanwhile, I will share you. I have updated my answer sheet so that it is easy for them to check and for me to create the file. Right, so I have updated the document like this. So this is Hira Thakur updated document where I have put this and this from the question and directly put all the questions list here 1 2 3 4 5 and my answer starts from here. So this says that to avoid writing the same code again and again, we use a separate Java file with usable code. Okay, this will help us to keep the code clean and avoid repeating the same logic multiple times. So the reusable files are these four. Okay. So now I have shared reusable files code. These are codes, okay. So for farm Java codes came in two screenshots. Farmer only one screenshot, organic farmer one screenshot, then Q1 code two screenshot, then Q1 output, Q2 screenshot, and then Q2 output, Q3 screenshot, code screenshot, then output, Q4 screenshot and output screenshot, Q5 screenshot, output screenshot, and then debugging and then step over and then lab user and then Eclipse file. That's it guys. That's the update for document preparation. Thank you.